Hi everybody, it's Matthew Cowie with Prince & Associates Realtors. I'd like to welcome you to my new listing here on 626 Tiger Lily in Imperial. Come on in, I'll give you a quick tour. Welcome to the interior of this immaculate home. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, just over 1,700 square feet with a beautiful open concept floor plan. As you can see behind me, large open kitchen, has a custom bar top, tile flooring throughout most of the home, wood laminate in the other rooms. Let me show you around. Large open tile countertops, beautiful wood cabinets, tons of storage, stainless steel appliances. It is immaculate. This laundry room has to be one of the biggest laundry rooms you're going to find in any single-story family home here in Imperial. It is absolutely enormous. Space for a washer and dryer, tons of cabinet space. This can be a great spot for a work area. It has an in-sink with extra storage over here. Truly fabulous. Take a look at this amazing custom-built bar. Beautiful for entertaining for your guests. Wood countertops, pendant lighting, spots for your glasses, decorations behind you or liquor, has a bottle opener. It's absolutely stunning. This living room is perfect for entertaining. You have a dining area, a huge living area, a fireplace for those few cold nights here in the Imperial Valley, or awesome ambiance, and it goes outside into a covered patio and an in-ground pool. Come outside and show you around. Welcome to your own outdoor oasis. A 3/4 length patio covered with ceiling fans, a beautiful in-ground pool with a spa, a seating area in the pool. You have to see it to believe it. Come, let me give you a close-up. Thank you again for touring this amazing property with me today. Again, it's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, just over 1,700 square feet, in-ground pool, in-ground spa, 3/4 length patio, covered, tile flooring. The home is immaculate. I invite you to come to our open house next Tuesday, September 25th, from 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock. My associate, Joanna Caballero from Fairway Lending, will be here to help assist you with any sort of pre-qualifications or lending questions that you have. Again, next Tuesday, September 25th, 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock, 626 Tiger Lily here in Imperial. Look forward to seeing you then. Have a great weekend.